Hey guys, got a 2015 plate Ford Focus here. Just going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure warning light on this one. So on this one, we're going to use the controls on the left hand side of the steering wheel and then the screen in front of the steering wheel on the dash. So from here, I'm going to press left, which will take us to the menu. And you want to scroll down until you get to settings and then click in OK. Then press OK on driver assist. Then scroll down until you get to tyre monitor. Click in OK. Now first make sure all your tyres are pumped up to the correct pressures, and then you want to hold OK on there. And then the line goes up, and then it says tyre pressure stored, and that's it.